Good morning, sir. My name is Milan Shakya. I am 39 years old. I am from Bali, Nepal. I am married. I have 4 members in my family. My education is +2 pass. My height 5.5 feet and weight is 65 kg. I am medically fit and fine. I have 3 years experience as a garbage disposal worker in Milan company in Qatar, cleaning, sanitizing, loading and empty waste bin. Sorting of garbage are my job duties. I want to come any European countries as a garbage disposal worker. I want to earn money and support my families, secure my future. I will stay there for the long time, maybe for 5 years. Also, I am hardworking and honest person. I can work in any weather, any outdoor work I can manage. I will complete my agreement of 2 years. Also, I will follow the company rules and regulations. Thank you.